I'm Professor John Ostergaard from Denmark, a small, nice Nordic country. I'm a specialist in child neurology. I'm the founder of Center for Rare Diseases at our university, where I still do my research. At the center, we have the responsibility managing all patients with Batten disease in Denmark. By the present grant, we want to investigate the effect of transcutaneous vagal stimulation during episodes of fearful, anxious behavior in adolescent and adult patients with CLN3. If it works, it will be a shift in the understanding and the treatment of these episodes. It will give us information about the disease mechanism, not only in CLN3, but maybe also in other forms of Batten disease.